Hello, Mazik Bear families. This is Mr. Marshall, proud new Mazik principal. We are excited to welcome you to our first open house in 2 years. Tonight, you will get a chance to walk your child's schedule, hear about what and how your child is learning from their fabulous teachers, and experience the Mazik way. After this video, your grade level assistant principal will release you to your child's first class. You will follow your child's Term 1 Thursday schedule. Each class will be about 8 minutes with transition time in between. I will announce over our PA system when it is time to transition to each class. Because our class periods are short, parents, I ask that you please save specific questions regarding your child. If you have specific questions about your child, set up a meeting or coordinate another mode of communication with their teachers. Be sure to visit our cafeteria information stations where you will meet our fantastic counselors, learn about our strong athletic programs, and our community school partnership. And don't forget to pick up some spirit gear from our PTSA. Also, our PTSA will hold their general meeting in our auditorium at 7:45. Again, my name is Mr. Marshall, proud new principal of Mazik Middle School, where our students are learners today and leaders tomorrow. Enjoy our open house.